If someone has high blood pressure, that's a pretty good clue. Like, if someone's relatively healthy and has high blood pressure, they should probably get a sleep study just to rule out sleep apnea causing that high blood pressure. Sometimes these things just get treated with blood pressure medication, and there's really a simple reversible cause there. Now, if someone has daytime fatigue, they wake up, seems like they can't ever get enough sleep, if you are always craving sleep, craving a nap, have to take a nap every day, those sorts of things can be clues that there's something more going on. But people can have mild sleep apnea and not have the sort of daytime somnolence, as it's called, where they just feel very tired all day long.